Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about Valentine's Day decorations for your home. Valentine's Day is a holiday that is all about love and showing your significant other how much you care. One way to do this by decorating your home with romantic and festive touches. Here are a few ideas to get you started. String up some fairy lights. This is an easy and affordable way to add a touch of romance to any room. You can wrap them around a bed frame, wrap them across a mantle, or hang them for the ceiling. Get crafty with paper hearts. Cut out a bunch of hearts from construction paper or cardstock and use them to decorate your walls or windows. You can also make a heart garland by stringing them together with ribbon. Bring in some fresh flowers. Nothing says I love you like a bouquet of flowers. Pick up a bunch of your partner's favorite blooms and display them in a vase or scatter them throughout your home. Make some Valentine's Day themed pillow throw. If you are handy with a swing machine, you can whip up some cute throw pillows with heart-shaped or love-themed fabric. Set the mood with candle always add a romantic touch to any setting. Consider placing a few around your home, especially in the bedroom or living room. We hope these ideas will inspire you and you will add these amazing ideas in your Valentine's Day home decorations. You can add a pop of color by hanging some heart-shaped wreaths on the front door or walls. You can also add some Valentine's Day themed doormats to give a warm and welcoming feel to your guests. Let's move on the living room. You can add some Valentine's Day throw pillows to your couch or chairs to add some flair to your space. You can also add some red and pink candles to your coffee table for a romantic ambience. In the bedroom, add some red and pink bedding and throw pillows to get into the Valentine's Day spirit. You can also hang some heart-shaped garlands or strings lights above your bed for a cute and romantic touch. Finally, don't forget about the kitchen. You can add some Valentine's Day themed fish towels and oven mitts to bring some love to your cooking space. You can also add some red and pink flowers to your kitchen table for a splash of color. Some easy and affordable ways to decorate your home for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys will like these ideas and will implement this. Adding candles and fading light, you can place them on table, mantles, and even in mason jars for a cozy touch. Next, let some pops of color. Red and pink are obvious choice, but don't be afraid to mix it up with the shades of purple or even gold. You can use garlands, balloons, or paper hearts to add some festive flair to your space. Now it's time to get creative with the small details. Use heart-shaped doilies or confetti to add some whimsy to your table space. You can also hang paper lanterns or tissue paper pomrooms for a fun and playful look. Finally, don't forget about the little touches that shows your love and affection. Write sweet notes or create a special playlist to set the mood. You can also display photos of you and your partner. With these easy and affordable ideas, you can make your partner feeling happy and lovely. So, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share this video with your partner. These can be hung above doorways or along windows for a top pop of color. In the kitchen, why not add some romantic touches to your table setting? Anna? Set the table with pink or red placement and napkins and use heart-shaped dishes or mugs for a playful touch. If you want to go out, consider creating a Valentine Day vignette on a shelf or table. This could include a bucket of red roses, a candle, and a cute stuffed animal. Don't forget about the bedroom. Swap out regular bedspread